Welcome to Jumping Ball number 9. I know most of you do know the history of this event. It was LL Cool J who came to my office about 9 years ago, said, Malcolm, I love Southeast Queens. I grew up in Southeast Queens. I want to do something to give back to the young people in our community. We sat down, we chatted a little bit, and here came Jumping Ball number 1. We now are into our 9th year. We've got a number of people out of here that we want to thank as our sponsors. I first want to thank Ty and everybody in the office who was there. Marie has worked so hard, put this together. Blacker and his team is going to come up and talk to you a little bit. Good to see our young people out there. Does anybody have a hoodie on today? Nobody got a hoodie, but you heard Reverend talk about Trayvon Martin. I hope our young men recognize how important that is. Pay attention to what happened. We want you to be mindful about what you do, what you say, where you go. Keep in mind that we all are Trayvon Martin, and we all got to be very mindful about how we deal with ourselves and how we deal with each other. There's a number of people out here that I want to thank before we get started. I know y'all might have saw one of the new exhibitions over there. The Darby Foundation is here. They're doing a golf exhibition over there. Y'all need to go over and pay attention to that. A lot of young men, you seen Tiger play yesterday. He's playing this weekend. A lot of men know how they play basketball, but golf is a place where you can really make a good living and a lot of money too. WellCare is one of our sponsors this year as well. They've given us some food, some stuff. NYU Dental is over there as well. JetBlue. Let's give JetBlue a big round of applause. They come through to us every year. We've got the vet Sharon Sweeting over there on the grill. All the vets over there cooking on the grill. We've got our DJ Big Brian. DJ Big Brian back here. We want to thank Brother Preston for bringing him out here, bringing up that music. I know I'm going to turn around and say, y'all hit me. And then y'all can hit me, but not yet. Don't hit me just yet. Where's Bishop Dorsey? Bishop Dorsey, thank you for that prayer. There's no question about it. You always bring us mindful spirits. I saw NYPD. I see them out there as well. Out there, they're doing their thing. Our zoo. We got the zoo new year this time. We got the zoo here. Here's the zoo. That's right. Let's go over and take a look and see what's going on with the animals. All right, good. You want to go out there and I saw an alligator over there and something else. I kept my finger out the alligator's mouth, but it looks okay. It's good to see you out here. Somebody told me United Black Men is out here as well, helping with the Darby Foundation. I want y'all to know, I got my swing going on here. Wait, is my head stiff? Is my head down? Fred, you saw that turn, right? Fred's a golfer right there. Fred's a good golfer. Listen, we are very happy about what's going on this year with Jumping Ball. I know you guys may know, some of you might be waiting to see when LL's coming out. We maybe run a little contest. You got 8 days in which you can pick the day that LL comes out. If you pick the day, you will be able to get an autograph with him. You'll be able to get a picture with him, and you'll have about 5 minutes just between you and him to talk about you and what you plan on doing with your life. But you got to pick the date. You got 8 days to pick from. You choose it. I think there'll be about 4 or 5 people on the ties like, oh, really? When do we get off? Well, just figure it out. But I do want to thank all of you for coming out again. This is going to be a tremendous tournament, as we always do. And the young man who I want to bring up now is a young man that started out with me and LL and said to us he's going to make sure that every time we come to this park, it's going to be nice. 2 years ago, he said to me, Malcolm, we got to do something about this park. You can't keep coming to the park without having to be fixed up. And many of you played, you recognize how different the park is from 2 years ago. And that's because this young man here said, we can't keep bringing people out to the park without making sure it's fixed up. And he stayed on me and LL. They were at Commodore Scarborough, Congressman Meeks, to make sure we all got together and put the money out here. Let's bring up Black and his team. Come on, Blacker.
Yep. All I'm going to say is we're going to play ball. We're just waiting for the course to dry. That's the only reason we're not playing basketball yet. When it dries up, we're going to get these games going. Remember, we're doing this every Saturday and Sunday. You already know what it is. We're doing a dance competition we're going to put into this. Dance has grown, so now we're going to be putting teams of 5 to make the dances, and we're going to have glue to elimination to the final to the big trophy. That's all I want to say. Open up, Jumping Ball, let's get it. I hope the grill is ready. I'm ready to eat, man. And God bless you for allowing this to still be going. The truth be told, thank you. Done deal.